Hi there, I'm gonna show in this video tutorial how to repair the Imei for Nokia 106 4G. As usual, we have here one sample. This sample has the Imei damaged, as you are going to see in a few moments. As you can see, the Imei is damaged here, so I'm going to restore it to the original value from the back sticker and from the box. So in order to do this, I'm going to use SPD service tool from pack 2 of Furiousgold. So let's start by choosing our model. And from here I'm going to select Imei battery lock, and here I'm going to put the value from the box. We have the values here. So 3597 11 910 177 04. So we have the email here, and now I'm going to press connect. Also, please note that this operation is credit based, so you are going to be charged one multiple pause log. So connect. Once the software starts searching for the mobile, I'm going to power off our device. So the phone got detected and the work starts. So we are informed that we are going to be charged one multiple pause log. Also, we have here the security check result, which is 0, and should be so, else we need to do a security repair prior to this operation. So I'm going to choose yes. So the operation ended. Now let's power on and check. We need to reattach the battery as well. So let's check it. So as you can see, the Imei got restored to the value we inserted in the software. So everything went okay. Thanks again for watching this video tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.